how to get Robux with Microsoft rewards or Bing rewards now. So here's how it works. You want to go search for Microsoft rewards, click on the first link that pops up and it should take you to your page here. So it's going to display how many points you have. Okay, so now what we gotta do is at the top, we're gonna click on redeem. So as long as you have enough points, you can click on redeem here. I'm gonna zoom it in a little bit and I'm gonna click on redeem. Okay, so right here, what we have to do is to go and find Roblox. So it's gonna be gift card, so Roblox gift card. Click on that option. Now, right here, you will see two options. So you can either get 800 Robux or 1000 Robux. So when you have enough, you will click on redeem now. It's going to give you a code, which you can then redeem on the Roblox website. And I'll show you how we can do that as well. So we're going to go to the Roblox website, click on the Robux icon, and then we're going to select redeem Roblox codes. So from here, you just want to type the code, check this box. So we're going to type the code, click on redeem. And once you have received this code, you will receive it on your email. Then you can type it here, click on redeem, and it's going to redeem the code and give you the Robux added to your account. Hope this video helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.